Hi friends, let me show you my new PopSockets grip for MagSafe phones like this iPhone 13 Pro Max. I use the PopSockets in my car. I have the car docking stations, so I think this option will be great for my phone, as I don't want to put an actual regular PopSocket like this one attached here, because I charge my phone with a MagSafe-compatible charger, so the permanent PopSocket won't allow me to do that. But with this MagSafe grip, you can just put it like that. It will magnetically connect to the phone, and you can use the PopSocket accessories. But whenever you want to charge your phone or use another kind of accessory, you just detach them like this. Also, I have this MagSafe-compatible case, and you are able to use the MagSafe grip with it. So I think it's great. It allows you to have the best of both worlds. The best of the MagSafe magnetic system to charging, and the best of the PopSocket world, where you can use this as a grip when you're talking, when you want to use your phone, even as a stand like that, or put your phone in the car PopSocket base. So I think it's great. If you use the PopSocket system, this grip for MagSafe compatible phones is great. Thank you.